Apostle Joshua Selman once said that in the fulfillment of destiny, every man needs 4 kinds of men to fulfill their destiny. The first one is said is divine connectors. These men may not have what it takes to connect you, to take you to the next level. They may not have the energy, but they know someone that can take you to the next level. They may not have what it takes to take you to the palace, to get your miracle, to get your breakthrough, but they know someone inside the palace that can change your life. And as such, he calls this set of persons divine connectors. Their responsibility in your life is to connect you with men that matters.